Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn down to the ground. Face to the face, hear the voice, you know who it is. Curious, you know what I mean, one king. Yeah, burn down to the ground, you know what I mean. So if you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. This movie is very personal to me. So do watch it and do learn something from it. Please subscribe too, right? Please subscribe. Continue watching, you make us. You know what I mean? We work to ensure that you're entertained. Are you not entertained?
JAMMIWOOD Studios. One king, curious king. You see the same Mawga Dawg where you're sorry for. Don't know none bite you. You see the same Mawga Dawg where you're sorry for. See they know them poison. Every day's not gonna be the same. You bite the hand where feed you, you should be ashamed. Them come around like them knife them on now. Deep pretense, make you drop your guard and put up no real defense. Pull up panty in a crutches and I say, let we be friends. We find them out now, so them have to go. Leave these ends. I know what them do, I how them do it. I know what them do, I how them do it. You see the same Mawga Dawg where you're sorry for. Don't know none bite you.
You're hungry.
I'm not hungry. A 2 day you don't have me in here. I don't have it.
2 days. Look at 2 days. Think I tell you should I tie up the ground with boss money. Tell me where boss money then now. No say you're afraid right now, you know want shop. So just tell me where boss money then and you can go on back to Portland. I don't even know where Portland you come from, but you can go on back. Just give me boss money.
I don't have it.
You mean you don't have the boss money? I'm going to say, I'm going to sweat some more. Because like you're not ready to talk it.
You can't leave me near one next day.
Mira,
Yeah, girl, what?
oh God, can I come in?
Girl, what? You know to ask? Seriously?
Okay, people, you have to make me have manners. So what am I doing?
I'm there. I'm going to go work in a nigga. You can't come with me.
What kind of work? Hope you know same thing when you do up here, you go nigga go do, you know.
Girl.
Remember, so Michael look for you, you know.
I'm not worried about Michael.
You're not worried about Michael?
Oh, I'm taking money. I'm going to go about my business. Where am I going to look for me forever?
Alright, continue. Continue, my love. Continue.
Is a clothing store?
Mm-hmm.
I come from the girl the other day and I say help wanted. So I go apply for the work.
You not come with you, you know. You not come with you because people are look for you.
Girl, we can make money down there.
You know me hear about on there, but one day me good on there, but not with you.
Well, girl, my friend has set it up and I go visit the boss. The boss himself. And I go tell him, say, I'm good while now, me I try apply for a job. I'm not leave the yard until I get that job there. I'm not ask. I need it, I need the money. I understand, say you not come with me, but tomorrow I leave.
Me hear what you're saying, but me know how you stay. You will go at people in place, go con them out, and take away their money. And me know that day. So, me wish you all the best down there, and hope you don't get yourself in no trouble. Me have some things and me have to go do, me go look about them now.
So you just leave, so I vex now.
Me don't vex. Me don't vex.
Alright.
You can't vex.
I'm a last night I see you, so just give me a hug.
Me love you. And
I love you.
Give yourself a nigga, please. You don't want to see up on the news.
Later.
Alright.
Find them out now, so them have to go. Leave these ends. I know what them do, I how them do it.
King, you know, so me that think too about, start up a little business, a little shop business out there already. So we have a space, we might as well just build up a little structure.
Alright. I know that you have a lot of ideas, right? But babe, we have the clothes store down the road, right? And I was considering to give somebody the land space to do something because somebody linked me. So you know, in this life, you have to help people in that way. And you see, we fired the young miss, so now they shut down the clothes. So today, my mission is to go on the road and find somebody to work in the clothes store. I can't stay in a clothes store, and I don't want it down there because as I go down there, every man I come there come and buy things and then I look here.
But we know say me nah go succumb to Fidel.
I don't care. I just don't comfortable nobody. I tell us your lips look like cherry and your eyes them like pearl. And I tell all of them things there. So my time if you have to tell you about them want to tell us you're beautiful, but don't know which one I did them they go say something to catch you.
You know say I just you may have eyes for. You know say me nah go look upon no other man. And I mean there's nothing wrong in having multiple streams of income. If you go get somebody for the other shop, might as well get somebody for this shop. You can have a lot of income in a day.
I understand exactly what you're saying now. And multiple income is good, but we don't want to stretch ourselves too thin. I have something planned for us to do differently from owning shops and them to going to something more adventurous. We're planning to go, maybe go up in line, go see some different area. We can invest in some different properties, maybe start a farm, different farm, leave the house and go up there. So that's what I want. Long as I hold like business in my work and everybody and the money are coming, we can survive, you know what I mean? Because I like how you deal with the flowers them. You know what I mean? Some things if we go into farming now, we have a hand that grow things. You see, and them grow things. You understand? So let's focus on that. You know, because mixed money is going to run off the local shop space there, we'll go up in line, go look on something natural.
Yeah man, be say true you that though. Me glad me have you by my side because they say what two head better than one. Because if I did me, probably would end up making some stupid decision. But that's true, the farming thing, it makes sense. Yeah, me like the idea there for real. Glad me have you now.
So you complete your nine now. Yeah. Because you give me the power of lead, right?
Must that place. Fire! Fire!
Why not do we'll continue this conversation.
Somebody call me.
Check out.
Alright, let me check.
You see, man, no bills, me not there. If anybody about bills, me not there.
Hello? Yes, so may I help you?
I just wanted to know if there's a job vacancy because I saw it in the store. So can I speak to him?
Yeah man, you know what, let me call him, let him come talk to you. Alright?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Well, thank you for calling. I would have to see you and see how you look and have a meeting with you before I can decide if I'm going to employ you. Thank you for calling, though. But I have a number. Send me a picture of yourself and tell me why you want to work. And some credibility, some people I can't really link to ask about you because I'm going through a lot right now. Alright, thank you.
Yes, babe. Somebody saw the post but they don't have any phone, so they're outside and they want to speak to you.
What can you do for me, please? You know that I'm a bit hungry. Can you please be my sweetie and go in the kitchen and look at my favorite that I like the crushed potato and Petty chunks
Yeah.
and the stew down and bag of something, two dumpling, two but you know me
You
like
go
it.
on. I will
Alright?
do it just as you like it.
Alright.
Alright?
You always do it.
Of course. You know me.
Love you, baby.
Alright. Nah.
Love you. Oh, good day. You can come inside. You have a gun? You have to check, I have to ask, you know, because where the country around nowadays, you know, everybody have them little pie and something, so you have to ask. Right?
Yes.
Alright, so you can have a seat here, so. And we can talk. Right here, so.
Thank you.
What is your name?
Alright, so my name is Lexi.
Lexi. Oh boy. Alright, so how old are you?
I'm 24.
24.
Yeah.
And you can read and write and count and check and
Of course.
so why do you want the job though?
Well, sir, it's during Corona time that I lost my job. And ever since that, I have a hard time, finding a job because them keep on until us wait till Corona gone. Like, oh, we're gonna know when. You understand? So, I stop seek certain job now. And the other day I was passing and I saw, a store, a clothing store. It says, help wanted. But I didn't have any phone, so I couldn't call the number.
So
So
who tell us
ask-
I have to live?
I asked some people, I found out the name was fine. I asked some people and they told me exactly where to come. I hope it's not.
Well, it's no trouble. But how you find yourself?
No, I'm on direct, me, sir.
Alright, I'm on direct you. Alright, so you really desperate want to work then?
I do. I wore my best clothes come here, sir.
But that best was out.
Yeah.
What tear up
I
your
don't have it. Sir, rough times.
Alright, so I don't really want to imply anybody, but your face look like you're somebody where calm and no one get trouble. The last person I have there, she were stealing money out of the pan and bringing her own clothes into the shop and selling it. Instead of selling my clothes, she sell for her own clothes. So it was an internal invasion of my business. And my wife was the clever one to figure it out. No matter what one, she figured things out. That's why I don't cheat and I don't do nothing like that because she figure out things. That's how she have a brilliant mind. That's why I'm with her. She keep me straight and sharp, right? So I work off of feeling and vibration, and you know what I mean. If you come with a natural vibration, who am I not to give you a chance, right? I'm gonna show you how I work though. I work with a good principle. Babe, honey. Alright, the young miss. What's your name again?
Alexis, sir.
Yeah, Alexi.
Oh, yes.
Alright, this female here, what's her name again? I don't want to.
Lexi.
Lexi. She don't have any phone and I bought you a lot of phones. You have a phone we plan to give her. Can you give me that phone we give to her so she can have a phone so we can call her and all you need to do is go down to the place and get a chip put in it and call the number you see there and you get the job. I will tell you when to come in and when to start work. You know, because you put out the effort and find me here so that's your reward. You want good, your nose are for run and you do the distance because you know so not a good. What you want coming here?
Of course.
Alright, so let me see you really want the work. You go get it. So one thing I have to say to you though, honesty is the best policy. You will work along with me if you're honest with me. You know what I mean? I've helped a lot of people. You know what I mean? All you have to do is just put the chicken in and you know?
It's good as brand new, you just have to put a seal in it.
Yeah man, here's it. From my wife and me. You have a phone now.
I appreciate it.
Yeah man, so all you have to do is just be honest. Right? And things will work out. Yeah. So today is Friday. So get a chip in the phone by tomorrow and call me and I can see if we can start work by Monday. Because I've been closing the shop for a while, I've been closed for a while. So now I have some new stuff to put in there too. So we're gonna do some stock taking and see what we lost and what we. Then we're gonna open fresh and start anew with you. All right? So it's nice seeing you as a girl where you push out effort to try and get something. I go help you. All right?
Alright.
My number is on the place down there. So what you do, you would just write it off when you go down there. All right. All right. So I talk to you tomorrow. If you get the chip, just get the chip in and call me, and then we make arrangement when you come in. My wife will do some stop taking, and then. All right. So nice meeting you again.
I really appreciate it.
All right. So.
Thank you. And thanks for the job too.
All
I
right.
don't know where you do for this.
Oh, where's that man? Everything goes. Where's that man? That's where you go. All right. Yeah. So what going today?
Yeah, somebody I do me I fix up the clothes. Anyways, we have some soup.
The next one like the salary.
Yeah, that's why that one there see.
All right. So it's how much?
30.
All right. So the next Mira come in.
No, she not come yet.
What time you have?
3:18.
3. Oh, I should come about 4 o'clock. So you're good though.
Oh, God, yeah, man.
8:30.
No, I'm not enough food yet.
You know. Yeah. You bring one food. Ah, yeah, me man, I mean. You bring one food up when I shop. Yeah, man, the staff forget. You know what she eat at the time already? Alright. You go bring one food come. But the inside, we'll check up some things. Anybody come, you can. Because somebody will come deliver something soon. Alright?
Alright, I'm going to fix something here.
Oh. Want some plain shirt too? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Where is it? 2 container load of clothes? Yeah, man. That's one good idea, daddy. Yeah, man. If you send them come, I can get sale for them. So tip him. Give him a tip out there.
Alright.
Yeah. I'll good you out. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man. More 2 container full of clothes. Yeah. Respect.
Tip there in the air?
Alright.
Alright, probably. So,
Good evening. Up here in.
Even
Well,
go on.
So how things, how business today?
Well, not so bad. She do her thing. So now she can go home and you run off rest of the evening. have some little things to deal with on the road.
Mm-hmm.
So I just that me I deal with differently. So there's some stuff in the back that need to pack out too.
Mm-hmm.
Because she sell out some things to put them back on the rack and the mannequin them whatever on the back. Alright?
Alright, no problem, no problem.
Alright, so I'm gonna go and do the thing.
But before you go fire, I'm gonna eat the breakfast, you know, so lunch on you.
Alright. I'll call somebody.
Alright.
What kind of food do you want?
Curry chicken. And rice and beans.
Yeah. Wagwan, we know say just deliver food a while ago. Want you one more food come here. The next female out there. Mira. Yeah, she want rice and peas and curry chicken and what? Natural vegetable. Natural vegetable. No, it doesn't say natural vegetable. I think it should be natural. Yeah man, so just do it right now. Before me left, yeah. Alright. Look a virgin, you know.
How much minutes in, sir?
I say shortly, because I'm sure some food enough to deliver. Somebody will want to make it get for you first.
Oh.
Because I know it lingo.
Alright, thanks, sir.
Yeah man. So you're good though.
Yeah, mama, alright.
I get to the place to stay in. How is it working out though?
I feel so comfortable. I can't complain.
So the new bed, queen size, matchup, double pillar. I make you sleep so comfortable. I shall buy the tough one that reach I work early today.
Sorry, man. I'm just tired.
Know yourself, man. You make up it on the time, because you know it goes.
Yeah.
So many time you stay over time, no problem.
Yeah, man.
We just run joke with you, man. Just want to understand. Alright though.
Alright.
Alright, so you good though?
Yeah, man, go leave.
See you come fast, you know. Come in, bad boy.
Funny dog.
See you, you're a flash, you know.
My work come down, man.
Yeah, man. Like intros to the staff when you eat, you know, because you see, when people hungry, then can't work. Right? Alright, so, you know what thing come down.
Alright.
What is it for juice? Yes? Here's the food now.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, what I'm going to do? I'll go up on the road, so I'm left it 200 years, so. She will go home now, so you in charge.
Yeah.
You study martial arts, right? Body gun. You know? You alright though?
Alright. Alright, later. Thanks again for the food, eh?
Alright, you're good man. You know where you go. One family, right?
Alright, later.
Later, I need some food. What good? Wait. Yes, my lord.
Fire! Oh, you're there.
Wagwan.
Oh, you know, sir. Where's that one, you know?
Wife in our house there, I bought some food from, but differently from that though. Why do you sell me some clothes? I don't know where you get them from, but something about the Gucci them and something them, when the people them wear it, it'll come off. Also my panty them, we have Victoria's Secret panty. When the Victoria come off, I left it secret. You know what I mean? I don't know where you get them from, but don't say I don't want that again. Get me the real thing them, because I pay the real money for them and that. I don't know where you get it from, but anybody sell it, tell them so they want it no good.
No, man, something alright, yes, sir, man. Come off, left it secret.
Yeah.
You know, so that nigga, they style me. You know, say, I order them from one nigga and sell you back same time, you know. Me don't know nothing about that star. It's either factory fault or the nigga fault.
I know you met them, or they order them. So that good. Because you know it's a business we are differently. So when I get new material, you can check me, buy some things for you.
Yeah, man, I understand, man, but guess what, they have some left, you know. Can't get them for a reduced price. You can't sell it cheap. Listen, man, that's cool, man. Help me out, man.
You're a good youth. So where do? Can them come in the week, yeah, and my wife, me give her, she go give it to the church. She can them give it to the people who don't have no clothes at all to wear some place, less fortunate. Me buy them for you, pan low price, but me no want a fan that anybody buy from no buy but no fan them can come sell me. You hear me I say? Until you get a real place to get the thing them from, don't check me. But carry it since you say have some left back, can we have left back? Let me give my wife it. She will carry go give it where at the church and them where they give it things all the while. Alright? But you're good though.
Yeah man.
Surviving. Me there go with a meditation. Wife you go and cook me and go and meds. You know where you go? Married life. Me can't go nowhere like you run up and down. Me have to stay with wifey.
What you mean, man? You can't come.
Yeah man, do that.
Yeah man.
Alright.
Married life. Check it out.
Yeah man, you know where you go?
Married life. Check it out.
Bad. Fire! Fire! Fire!
Hello.
Come here. Good day.
Good day.
Hello. You can't come?
I'm gonna come in here. I go and care. Mira.
I'm here. Come here.
What is it from today?
No, it's just something I want to go over with you. What can I see?
Yeah. Alright, come.
Where's the wife?
You know, so she gone some convention. Soon go pick her up.
Oh, for God's sake. You know she does church lady.
Yes, she's in church.
Alright. So now I feel no way. It's just an idea will come up in my head. I feel like say if I sell clothes for you on the side, like, you know, on a day off, it would have work out better because people may get sales in the store, but I not get the amount of people I want to get at the store. So if we go out there and sell clothes for you on the side, I feel so would have make more money. What do you think?
Alright, it's nothing wrong still. Yeah, we get a container of clothes and when Kara work, I day off. So if you want to sell upon your time, it can work. So we have the door.
You know, so it's a contract. I'm going to just write up myself.
So look like you well planned for me though.
Of course! It's just a little contract, man. I mean, to me, I feel I forget 60%. I not say, you know, I deserve the most, but I mean, I go out there for you every Saturday and Sunday. And I put that in my bed.
But are your ideas still so about? More 40%.
Yeah, that get fun.
So how you give so much?
What do you mean?
How you give so much?
40%, girl.
Yeah, that's too much.
No, I'm not that great. Tap it nice.
No,
You
listen,
come here for a bit.
I'm my product, you know, so I think we should get 50%, but since you come with it, I have a whole plan. I have a container of clothes for real, and we don't unload them. So,
I'm still a bit too
Girl, you
much.
come here for be eyewitness. You know, come forgive you. You
calm down.
suggest.
We may not do business. Because you know, say look a bit high, which I get more. But since she come with the idea, I'm gonna just work with her. Listen me now.
But remember, say we are putting in all of the work. We deserve more. We are going to hot sun.
Also, we night, I think that she and me and her in an agreement that you'd have come for your paperwork yourself, then lead me for your business. But since she come with the idea and fear or something, we are dealing. When I your time, you carry for your contract come and then we see if it makes sense.
Thank you.
Okay.
Alright. So let me see where you're up there now.
Indeed.
Alright. Good. Alright, so if we sign here so then.
And then may I sign down the bottom.
I now go sign the bottom, you know. I tell her that. Oh.
You can sign the base, sir.
Yes, that's better.
Alright.
And you can write your name and then me write mine and then the base as well.
The tail.
The tier.
Alright, where am I sign again now?
CEO, that is you.
I think it's very ambitious of you to really want to put in some extra work because in our country where we do need special income and if you can make the money and me make money and you make money, I have a lot of bills to pay, a lot of people that I want to take care of. So it's a good look. I want Jamaica to be the whole world clothes capital. We have clothes like galore. People have fly from everywhere come buy clothes here. That me I work on. Alright? So see it here, you sign now.
Alright.
So
Alright. So that's us.
you want to sign there?
Yes.
So who's gonna
No, yeah. So you will sign, say you give this to me. Alright, so I'm gonna put my name here as well.
what may I say now? Mira,
Mm-hmm.
who's gonna keep the paper?
Me, of course.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a picture of it. Then
And the
just-
idea they made that comment.
So some my time the paper, the book can be missing, and you know where you go.
You can print it too when you
You can save it to your email.
But this is enough. As long as I take a picture of it, I think it's enough. Alright, sit there over here.
So I feel good you agree. I
Yeah, man.
never expect someone to come with the idea you agree with it.
Know yourself. Business, shake on it.
It's good doing business with you.
Yes, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start you off with a couple bag of clothes. I'm gonna do check the thing and see how much you value, and then you get money. Don't do it pan it's gonna be monthly. Just like in
Yeah,
the
that
contract.
was the 22nd
Monthly.
every month.
Yeah man. So know yourself, I'm gonna give you 3 big bag of clothes and you get as yourself. You go and do what you have to do. See you good though.
Yeah, man, there.
So everything on shop good.
Business is booming. You see how much different? I'm gonna come to you the first
And the
time, it
phone.
just look like old papa.
And the phone is working.
Yeah, it works. It works.
When I'm there, I'm gonna get one of the next phone them for you. When I hype I one of them they come.
Oh, iPhone 8.
No, I'm gonna get your iPhone 20.
That not come out yet, fire.
I'm sure I'm advanced. So if you make me make a lot of money, you're gonna get iPhone 20. I send them to make it for you special.
No
Just make
problem.
me make some money.
Alright.
Cause for me make money and you make money, everybody alright. Cause percentage. You
Yeah,
understand?
man.
So what am I gonna get?
You will get what you get when you get it. No, you're gonna get something. So like me say, you have been a good worker, you have been honest, you know what I mean, and all them things there. So that's good. That's very, very good. Because if you open a branch overseas, you're gonna get your visa to work over there. Overseas pay better than here, you know.
Okay, no problem.
You're gonna get paid in US, so don't worry yourself about that. You should just be loyal and honest. Because that's what it comes down to at the end of the day. We have to be a next generation of black people. We can't be like the first generation where bad mind and grudgeful and backbiting and all them things there, it now gonna look good. You know what I mean? Too much nation has unite against us, and they are running Jamaica as a business place, and we as black people are sitting around the corner bad mind each other for petty cash.
Little or nothing.
Little or nothing. So let's not be like those that have fallen by the wayside because of the greed and people taking more than what they really need. Let's be a business of quality and clarity. Transparency, that means that we can move forward. You see, if we're gonna eat bread, let's eat bread together. That if I want to look a piece of bread, let it share. Doesn't matter the pinch, everybody get them pinch out of it. Let us survive.
Make it soft.
Make it serve you. Yeah man, so nice seeing you. I know how my wife stay, you know. You see when she tell about her convention date there, and everybody start chat to her, she don't like chatting too long. So she go begs with me, you know. And Christian people, when them lock shop, you know, no matter how you preach, you can't open it. So I don't want the shop locked tonight for me, if you know what I mean. So I need to go pick up for shop, push up her mouth.
Alright.
Go before she get upset.
Nah, take it to time.
Thanks for coming as a witness. Your witness of one so.
Alright.
Yeah. So let's just go. Lock up
So you
our
can
flat.
drop it down the road, right?
Maybe.
Alright, I'll
Cause
soon
I
as someone
don't, we are up or down.
Don't listen.
I'm not into the down thing. I mean, I go up. So you go down too.
No, go up. Alright, fine. Anyway it works. Once we can get taxi. Alright?
Yeah, we need a taxi. You can just drop it. I'll make you get a taxi.
All right. Now come on.
Alright.
Sorry about that, yeah, babe.
Imagine say you know it's a convention over from 3 o'clock. You see the time now?
Yeah, me see, man. Sorry about that, babes. You just, me drop asleep a little bit. By the time I get up and shower off and put on my clothes, Mira come check me. For me, I come check me, I'm just doing fast, so I can chat business and then I come pick up. Sorry about that. Come in the car now.
Mira. Oh yeah, Mira in every time so.
Come in the car
Look at man, me upset you know. Me upset.
Always upset. Wait.
Open the door you know.
You're always upset. So, you go to church every day and you're always upset.
The grace of God make me fight. The grace of God make me fight right now.
That's why I encourage you to go to church, because you used to fight before you go to church. Like what the Lord have done to you. We're in love, you know.
But you're not easy, you know, look how long you
I
have
know
been
something
doing
wrong,
it.
I apologize. I'm sorry.
And Mira every time.
No.
What about me? Look on the lonely spot I road with the bus let me off from convention.
What may I say to you now? Mira, come check me. Come with me to talk to you about this, you know, before. But she come up on me sudden. Say, boy, she want to sell. She come up on me sudden. Say she want to sell some clothes. Because you know, some get the clothes, she come up. I have enough of them. Show them that's what she is. Clothes, they alone. Right? So, come check me that contract, you know. Sign on the contract. I'm going to try to look over it first, but still we sign it. We take a picture so we can show you when we go by the house. But, yeah.
And then something like that. If you come to me, you could have go look on the contract. But you go ahead and you sign contract without me. You know where you sign to?
Yeah, I can read, so I'll make you look into it when we go down and see what's going on. But I'm not really worry about that. You know what I mean? You know, say that's something I'm going to do some one idea, I have to take some photos, send it, and we get it.
Well, if that's the case, fine. But me still, look how long me the year. So you know the time flies like. Come on, man.
Exactly.
Look here, man. Just get me home. I don't want a cane.
Alright, come on. Sorry. So, how was convention? No.
Yeah, it was really good. A lot of people got saved.
People get see you.
You know, I'm already saved.
How's the people? The people get
Yes, a
scared.
lot of people got saved. A lot of people accepted Jesus, you know. It was a really, really good experience. Probably need to invite you back next month.
Invite me.
Yes, I need you back.
Yeah, but she would just try to do for one of the good things. See, pastor, I think was a little job.
Yeah, so what?
Alright.
So what you need?
Remember, so the pastor, they tell me, say, no, money, always buy the vehicle, me be lending it. And that I don't trust the pastor. He want me lending money. So I'm going to throw it in our church to plant seed.
So you don't believe that God can actually multiply your blessing?
Well, I not go deep in our business, you know. Because your business and you're the pastor business is not my business. And if the general ship, why am I do? I catch other people, I don't business. Everybody have their life to live, have their hustle to live.
Well, it will become your business. Sure.
Well, I serve the Most High in everyday life that I live. I don't think I have to go to the church to justify how I feel about the Most High. Look like a skin text lane. I do apologize, though, but you see, my time is busy and over myself along by the place now I run up all of the business there. When I calculate it.
So how is contract thing going to
Alright, see, let me take a picture of it, right? Right here. I don't know who tell her, maybe the next female, because she went down there by the store when I was talking to the people who drop off the container load of clothes, right? So somehow she got out say, I have so much clothes. She couldn't be of some help. I'm trying to figure out. You see these ones, I'm not good with it. Technology, pass me. I'm not into this technology so much. Yeah, you have to see with me, you know. I know nothing about this phone really, but I know me take a picture though. I'm looking for it. I'm looking for it. Alright, not that. Not that. Yes, sir. I'm not save it. That's not I save it somewhere, right? I'm gonna save it somewhere. You know what phone mode I mean? No? If I take a picture, right? Where do I find it? I find it in gallery, right? Alright, so I'm the other wrong place a while ago. Alright, I was going into something different. Every time hot, so I sweat. I'm nervous. Am I nervous? Did I do something wrong? Because I sweat. No, see, you can't shut there. She said, boy, you try to write things them, because this one reading, you said, boy, we close them and everything come up to, when we give her it, she go get 60%, and we get 40 because she go walk up and down in her son or something. That was a good deal? 60-40?
So you get the 40 and she gets 60?
Yeah, because she's going to walk up and down in the sun, and we know she have to go. Remember, let me get them clothes here, to look like, you know. These are like some second-hand clothes, right? So they're getting very cheap. So she's gonna, you know, we go give her the price some want it for. She take 60%, we get 40. How you feel? Oh, that's all.
That's a good deal.
Right, so that's the deal, really. You know what I mean? So since you agree with it and you like the deal, I go down to the shop, go start make the new work or what they start putting things them together and price them. I can calculate. I can know exactly how much things you go up on the road. Alright? Alright, so you want to go on the road?
No, I'm good.
Alright?
But look here, remember, so anytime you help people, let me turn around and hurt you.
So you feel say me helping Mira is a bad thing?
Especially Mira. Sorry for Mawga Dawg then fun won't bite you.
Well, if the dog bite me, the dog will poison.
Can't say me never want you.
But me tell you, the dog will poison. Alright, babes. We know you're concerned and everything, but we can't stop help people. But when they betray me, them go feel it.
Do you think so?
I'm on the road I try sell some clothes. Of course you think me I go dip on the road I sell for no reason. I must make money on the side. Yeah man, but guess what? Me I go call you when I reach home because right now me I try look the sale. One man I come and me can't make him pass, alright? Hello, hi! Hi sir, how are you doing? I'm there. I just want to introduce you to some of my female clothes. And not for you, but you must can buy something for you.
Wow, you know, so I'm not too sharp right now, though.
No man. Them not expensive. Just take a look now. I'm a member your face. Now you are the delivery guy.
I miss that one.
From Upper Fire.
Yeah.
Are you man? Come now, just come look now. Come look.
Let's see what.
Alright, you see this? This here woman can wear over her swimsuit. If she not like show her body too much, she can put this on over her swimsuit.
So what price for it?
Just $1,000.
I'm supporting. By the way, who you sell them here for?
Upper Fire man.
Then one movement, man. How many you buying?
Yeah, because we support you. Remember, so when you deliver food, you know, we have to give $500 for tipping. You can't let me some man.
Support.
Ah.
You know, no bag or them things.
No, you have to be yourself. You're a man, you know, the bag there.
Alright, we live there. Alright.
code. We have stuff like 1, 5, 5 bills, even $1,000. Come check out this. 5 bills.
Yeah, that look cheap and clean.
You like it?
You know, nothing more in the bag.
Yeah, man, we have a nice floral dress here.
Mama see it now?
But I know could have fit you.
Yeah. Right, this so
I
right,
do
turn the
that.
scrubber up this so.
I do
Then no
that.
me this right, that's so. Yeah.
$1,000.
Alright.
Sorry,
Right, this so. Give me some more, man. Me have a next 1,000 right.
But you're
so.
going good, man.
Yeah. You clean, mama. You think them clean, man. Me nah lie.
Man, me have no cover, man.
You don't have no cheap, clean panty in them, mama.
Of course. Underwear I got you. Check me out.
Yeah,
Nice,
mama.
sexy tongue for your
Yeah,
man.
I mean that.
Girl, they can pay them put on this.
Yeah, right now.
350 and go on.
Alright.
And go on.
Alright.
Thank you. Mama give you a chance.
Then let me just later. Yeah, let's go.
Alright, mama, you that.
Alright.
Thank you for the support.
Yeah, man.
I appreciate it.
Yeah,
Alright.
Alright.
Come again.
Come. Come. Come in. Yeah, man. Can't talk on the veranda. Look, it sounds very urgent to a call about a while ago. Yeah. There's someone upset when I can't cry. One pay now. Why if you then have night kitchen about some food? You have some food?
Could you something to eat?
Oh, when you done cook, you get some food. Cook your cook some food. So that's a problem now.
I know why you feel like me I come to you every minute I ask you something, but my mother, she live in a family yard, an extended family yard, and she have it rough with her sister. Them are right now, them a fight her out. Them a fight her out and them a try to put her out. I just feel like me, everything falls, and you understand? I'm gonna have the first cent to help her to rent a house at this time for her. She know me just get the job. And me, she asked to actually help her get a rental house. So for you, if you can help me, at least as a 1 room with 1 bathroom, I'm gonna appreciate it.
So, we hear everything we said a while ago, and what do you want me to do for you? What you say? So you not talk to your auntie them? The auntie not talk, look, you have a family meeting, because you don't think to right to them put her out if it's a family out. You know what I mean? Right now, the business that I'm doing for it a strive, you know, and I make everything make rich. You understand? So that are the things that as we go along, and we have to go through step by step. Little better than me. You know what I say? So what you want me to do that now? What you want now? What you want? What money you want to give your mother?
Alright. So the place I'm find or the place I'm know that will be renting soon is just for 32. And it's a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. The only thing more than need you to do is get the house for her, and then a month time now, me will pay the rent. So I know you may go ask you to pay the monthly bill. You understand what I'm trying to say? I just want to get her out of the family yard and put her in another house that me can maintain the rent, alright?
I understand perfectly what you're saying now, because you find that in family. Now that you tell me saying you are none auntie don't talk, you are none cousin don't talk, it is a bad family reputation still, but what am I to say or family is their business. So what more you do, more you understand though. You work for me now, I can give you as much as I can, but now look more help you now. But anything I have to run by my wife first. So I call my wife and tell her the situation, and then this is what you say. Baby! Come here, honey.
Come in.
You want butter?
What you saying?
Yeah. Come here, sit now. Alright. You know, so I'm a very reasonable person. She's the one that worked Mira.
Oh, yeah, I remember Ramiro.
Yeah. So she's working for me and now she cried because of a country them put out her mother. Sister and brother fight against her because family dead and left, right? So now she a try see if we could assist her to get a room for her mother and she work up back with payment. Yeah, you understand? So, I tell her all my thing run. You are my right hand, so anything I have to ask you and you give me the go ahead to do it, then you'll be there.
I mean, your situation sounds sticky. I would have loved to my husband is to help you. So,
Let me say,
why not? If you are able and if you're willing to help, go ahead.
well, alright, where I put them?
Yes, there's some stew chicken and some ground provisions, so.
Alright, when I'm done, look about my food different. Some want some items, want some, right? So, because you don't plan to cook for me today. Every time when I cook for myself, when I cook, so I'm not holiday here. You know, used to me being here, but it's okay. But me there here now. When you eat today, so you look at special things for me differently. But you don't eat my stew chicken?
Sure.
You share a plate for you when I finish. So me and I go and reason and see how much money go cost and make it cigarette out and then yeah, we're there. Just go and go ahead.
Alright. Just let me know what you decide and how it turned out.
Alright baby, remember no pepper and I tell stew now, come later. For how long? Alright now. So yeah, my wife is saying, alright, we can help you. So what I would do, you find the place, right? And I go to the bank and draw the money. And they want to give me the people them account, whoever I rent the place, I'm send the money to them or so anyone I pay them because of you know.
Fire always help me out, you know.
Because you look like a humble, trying girl with always have a lot of things going on bad in her life. So jabbing you this away to make things good, right? Right? So don't worry yourself, man. Anything you want, I will try to assist you. Don't worry yourself.
I appreciate everything.
So you see, since we do something to fear, since recently you get lunch every day, right? Don't worry about that. As somebody with a sign up a little thing with the people in the restaurant, so every day they give you lunch. Look at me and they don't have it. I wish that there's more people in the world like me now, right? Wish there's more people like me, so don't worry yourself, I got you, right? Just do the best you can do. It's when I help you somewhere down the line, you must help back somebody.
Yeah, man, I'm grateful.
Alright? So stop crying, oh man. Stop crying. You know what I mean? No woman, no cry. Bob Marley. Right? Let's do that, man. No crying. So I say, no worry yourself, man. Right? No need to cry, man. Bob Marley say, man, no woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Yeah, so nobody cry, man. Because things go better. Right? So now that you have staff and now and things and work, things go on for you, man. Try and make things work for you, right? And you could probably have, just tell me. You try to assist as best as possible. Right? Know yourself. Just send the money to them, everything good. Just eat some food and relax. You know what I mean? Calm down. Keep the girl down at the shop, right? I work.
Yeah, she knows.
Alright, so everything good, man.
So Fire, since you're always a help, you can't be special friends.
What do you mean by that? Like, we know what we...
Special friends.
What special friend do?
We help out each other always.
You wanna know? I understand where you're going with this, you know, but you see, I love my wife, right? And she's my life. She has been there for me, you know. Listen something here. I know you're saying this from a place of desperation because I help you, but I don't think it's genuinely you want to do nothing with me, really. I'm a wife. It's my wife. I'm not cheat on her, right? So, I'm not mention this again, but not really push that again, right?
Sure.
Yeah, because that's kind of dangerous, right? But you're good though. Let's eat some food and relax, man. But my while ago, never happen yet, right? You know, don't happen. Right.
Alright, sorry about that.
No problem, man. Because I know say I'm a very handsome person, you know. I so come my wife pick I out, you know. I'm super handsome, you know. So I understand if you're attracted to me. It's like it's natural, right? It's naturality.
That's fine, I'm about to flatter yourself.
I know, you know, I get it every day on the road, man. When I'm at the shop, a lot of people come and Lord, you're a very beautiful lady, but if I never with my wife, if I never have my wife, I would have consider it.
You sure you're not say so for you?
No, but just want you know some of consider it, but now my wife is in my life and I'm not cheating on her, but you understand where I come from because I'm not normal. Let me say fire. Hot. Yeah, man. But
Can you eat too?
food's already, man. When it's ready. So, you want some drink?
Oh, yes.
I'll get you something to drink.
Hello? Karisha? Girl! Must say, when me don't make money off of fire and film, oh man, I swear, I'm nice. Girl, the people, them nice still, them fool with money, you see? You know, I'm come up here, condo. And tell fire, say, my mother people, them a put her out her house. And me I beg him, help me rent her one bedroom and bathroom. And the man just agree to do it in a right away, you know. And he woman, which man me could have? And make him assist one next woman with renting fear mother a place. That not look suspicious. You know, sister, she not think. I mean, me and him not you know, come try to make a move off man and turn me down, but that is fine. That is more than fine. I still I make money off him. Plus him a pay me on the side. I'm not stop here, so. Girl, him a come with the liquor. I will talk to you later. Of course, me gotta be careful. Me look like idiot. A whole heap of things me do and it go according to plan. So this a baby thing. Later I come.
See drink here. The drink is kind of cool, man.
Thanks.
Kind of cool. And some day, cause what go on and know, you know. How you talk? You might talk on the phone?
Yeah, man.
How do you want to talk to her? She do, you know. She
Oh,
alright?
me tell her say, yeah, assist with the place.
Oh, so she good though?
Yeah, man, she alright.
Ah, well, wife in there go and look about the food, so your food soon finish. I go all a beer. That means when we done eat, we can drop you off for your or something.
Alright.
Alright?
Yeah, man, what me gonna do is, me just watch some movie on my phone, alright?
Alright, do that for you, alright?
Alright. Thanks again for you.
You're welcome, man. Each one have to help one, right?
Yeah, man. Alright, so here we are going already. Never pay him the money, and you walk in when the transaction is right, alright?
Simple thing that.
I can't handle it. I don't want your punk out.
Listen why that we have.
Listen,
I don't need to punk out. Just hope you don't scared.
no, but you know, I still have to act frightened.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
not true. That's not true.
Alright.
So when
Hmm?
you down there,
Him don't know, I don't know, I go give him the money.
so go on, man.
Alright.
I don't want to punk out down there.
Alright, man, me have this to that.
Sexy piece of body. My God.
Yeah. Hope everything going good on your shop today, you know. Yeah, cause the next stop up on the road, so you're going to let me know, no call for an hour. Yet. Hang on, she'll call me now. Hello. Yeah, I'm down my yard, man. Yeah, I'm there. Oh, what you cooking?
Yeah, some fish and dumpling near the door.
Fish and dumpling.
You know, like fish again.
Well, if I fish and cook, we should go eat tonight.
So what you up to differently?
I'm waiting on Mira. She just called me. She may talk about that for a while ago. Said she have some money to come to me. You know what I mean?
That sounds good, like business is blooming.
Well, she said she sell off one bag load of thing already and she kept some money come tell me what she make and fizzle it out. So, put 2 Irish potatoes in it, right? Yeah. Because I know so since lately, you know something to like, but I just feel like I have to talk about some of that. Right?
No, no, you marry anything else.
No, but that good.
Ah, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Welcome back, man. You good?
Yeah, there.
Can I come?
Yeah, man, up in the ground for
Alright, I hear things will come with you now.
I don't really like when you come at night, when but
But don't worry, man. You know me. I can't stay on the street now until
I don't really used to, you know, I like, you know, the night business and
You understand what you're saying?
So how much money this year?
So 40.
How much you make then?
Bro. Where? You got some. Oh,
What is that?
tell her right, sir. Tell her, sir. Right, sir.
You see what I tell you, say, maybe up to me at night.
I'm sorry, I never expect nothing like that to happen. Jesus Christ. You know that shake, me that shake. Jesus Christ. What we are gonna do?
Money, that's just money, man. That's money that. But me I tell you, say, not good to have them thing in a night. Stop being nervous, man. Come like if I am there and I care, you know.
Yeah, but it could have hurt me.
No, about her. Come and drop your yard. Come on, come on. I don't want to hear them. Come fast. You take your yard.
Hey,
Oh.
honey. You're going good in a boy. We never been over forever.
Let me be.
Oh, I want this. So how much you giving?
You mean, babes? Take what you want out of it. A fool that.
No.
Sorry, you never more than that.
You know my things there, man. Half and half.
Right.
I'm not telling you, I could do this more often, you know. I feel like I like it.
No, still, you see, teeth and things still. You don't really work out still, you know, but him, definitely, should I have more money? You good, job?
I'm a good man. It mean differently, you know. Because I could have paid me more than way I pay me.
You know, that's true still, but anyway, why don't we take a shower?
True, man, the time hot. Fire!
What one? What do you come to me? Where's that one?
Let's walk up and look. I said, I'm tired, want some water.
Alright. Well, hot or cold?
You know, no school up. Mix it with the hot. Mix it with the hot.
Alright.
Fire! No matter with the water, I'm get a drive.
Where's that?
No matter with the water, I'm get a drive.
You get that jive?
Yeah.
Alright, that morning then.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Take you to another place. Never you want to is to be. Let's sing for you now, baby. You like my voice?
No, you're not a good voice.
Don't you underestimate strength of a woman. You're a good woman.
Right, well that's...
I mean wife, but one thing, why I don't get no pick me yet?
Look here, the right time will come.
The time is if what me I do now work. Cause I go on the internet and I drink and I blend and I drink and I blend and I blend and I do and still no result. But everything else is more successful. Business I run good, everything is good differently from that. I make an extra piece of money today, so I feel good. You don't mind you say, yes, one baby did there, but
Well, one of these days you will get a surprise. Don't worry about it. Probably I think about it too much.
hopes are triplet. They said twin one in your family, not true?
Of course. Your brother and sister are twin.
So that means you can do a triplet then.
Of course, why not?
Because, remember, you know, babes, we got married 4 years ago, right? And you promised me children. And I don't see a child. But anyway, still, even if we have the 500 year together, this fact we love you, so may I sweat for you. Not all the AC in the home, still a sweat. Because I just saw the passion that I feel, but differently. I tell you, if one more year come, I'm gonna get no picnic, we'll start about some place to adapt. Let's adapt then, if you can get.
Yeah, I not so believe in adapting thing, you know, but I know there's something that will come before next year.
Make it come!
Look here, in due time, no rush.
Just want your car. Hello? What you say? Alright, may I come down there? Alright, may I come? Yeah. Some people call me the high place,
I'm in.
One virgin, want some clothes. What about them buy? Them all buy clothes for me. That's why they come to them down there. So I'm check them and get what they want. Yeah, me a forward, man. Yeah, I'll go some eat.
Yeah, where come?
Alright, dude. We go back to the argument when we come back, you know. Back at the argument.
Definitely.
We go work on it tonight. Think so?
Go on here. Hello? Hey man. What go on? Me there, no. Just stress out and dating.
Oh, you could have really stressed out all of that.
You know, so me there I talk to my husband since there. And it's like me realize that him and the one Mira, that are the lady where we open the shop, yeah, get really close, you know.
Yes, so you think that I'm going with something fishy?
Me no have no doubt about that. No doubt about that. How I going to get call and run gone? Like, what the hell? Me there's a reason. You know, tell me say me you done reason. You run gone together. I mean, me know some of the business and everything, but you just run gone, so like you don't have no regards for me I talk about.
So yeah. So if you just get up and gone, so that means you have no respect for you then. And that's what I try to say. You have no respect for you whatsoever.
No respect me I tell you. But him say when him come back, him a go come finish talk. I mean, so when him come a next story, him a go give me on top of that.
You not finish starting nothing with him. Not finish starting nothing with him.
What?
Ask him for the situation between him and the lady.
Yes, cause me need to get to the root of this thing. Cause me no want nobody come mash up relationship with my husband. And from the first part, me never trust a girl there.
You see, if you well want to know what really are going between them, you know what you do? You box the lady. You see the lady, woman has something like this. They go in a relationship with emotion. There's something there, he will tell you. You hear me? I tell you, he will tell you.
Yeah man, that sound like a one good idea, you know. But you know, say the next thing for my mind in idea. Well, before him leave, we actually that well, him bring up the whole idea about behavior and that about 4 years now we married. Yeah, I mean, but it does not come yet. You know them something. It starts to make me think like when the thing would have really and truly go out of the way. Can I see my
Listen to me, you see a baby. A baby don't make a man straight. You don't have nothing to do with that. You see, once a man
Yes.
with a child. But if no strain of one, I him do it up by own intention. That not have nothing to do with you and not blame yourself. All you have to do, girl, is sit down and you pray.
Yes.
And you meet up Sunday day at church and we pray to we God. And we sing we song for you, we come home. Pray to him
Yes.
same way. He
Yes,
won't
ma'am.
turn around.
Maybe I go take your advice, man. This really deserves some fasting and prayer. Cause well, we married for 4 years, but we've been a deal for all our 6 years now. And me can't believe say my man really want to come change for me like a green lizard. But you know, me go pray for him as you say, you know, and see how it turn out. Cause me believe in a God. I mean, say God can't do anything, and if a baby he want, he will get a baby, but he me know me want him pressure me for no baby. Cause if that never in a plan, he just know in the plan. You understand?
Right, but that me I tell you, you tell how you see, I devil I try to work, you know.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
you know what you do? You take your time and you use the Bible and you use the word of God and you turn him on and you pin it on it.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
then tell you that man must turn on and come back to you because no go under the eyes of God, no married.
Yes, so true. Anyways, I have some things that I want to do about before night come down, but you know, it feels so good talking to you tonight, girl. At least, watch out. You know what? Tasila, may I call you back? Look later.
Alright.
Alright.
Pray, yeah, that just pray.
Yeah, man. Look later. Alright.
Mm.
Good night,
Night.
Night. Good night. You okay? You okay?
I can't come in, I have something.
Oh, what that be now? You never come inside.
Something in that top jar. I came by when you weren't here.
So, okay. But I mean, like, where you left in the jar, let me go and get it for you.
No man, me will get it.
No, but we have personal stuff in the jar. You're not business with going in the jar.
One panty for the up at the top.
Oh, well, you shower over here or how that go?
And I really want to say nothing out of place, you understand what I'm trying to say? I mean, me and Fire had a little thing.
Or prayer meeting? How that go?
No prayer meeting.
Yes, where you
So we all look for.
Oh, man, because wait, talk what you say.
What me I say is you wasn't here and me and Fire spend a good time and
Spending time doing what? Prayer meeting, fasting, all that go.
things just happen.
Things happen like what? Want to do? Clean the house? What happened?
Listen to me, we watched 2 Netflix and things happen and we had a little drink.
Well, anyways, take what you take. Let me see what really take place. So, you mean to say you come at my place and magically your panty come off of your body? It end up in a drawer?
I'm sorry about that. It wasn't supposed to happen. We were just having a conversation. One thing led to another. We were watching movie. We had a sip of drink.
And you're really turn up and tell me that's not my face. It can be a face, so you're not
I
ashamed.
mean, it's best that, you know, I'll be honest with you. I don't want to
Come
ruin
here, come here.
What do you mean, come here?
Come here.
What do you mean, come here? I'm not a child. I don't want to ruin a relationship.
You're acting like a child now, miss. You come at my place or your panty come out of your pants.
I'm really sorry about the entire
What you say?
situation.
You're
I don't want you to leave your house. I don't want you to leave your... As a matter of fact, I don't know when me run from you. Alright, that's how we did that. I would do things. Yeah, we do things.
So you have the F country right now, you're gonna do boy. Hey, remember that boy here? Hey, come on, come here. You don't want police come to me here. Come on.
I'm here for that. I'm here for that. Come on, family. I'm here for
Oh, man,
that.
that's easy.
What you doing now? Ah, you are getting what you are doing now? Come on, come on.
Come on.
Come out of my house. Come out of my house. And that I make your mouth say, me not say 40 man. As a matter of fact, go on to your place. So me not Christian no feet. Now don't burn it down with me tonight. Look here. Let me tell you this. Your girl just come up here and fight me off. The one where you claim say, no, tell me if you hush up, man. Let me talk. The one where you claim say you're not in a business. Left panty in my drawer up here. She buy a drawer up here? Look here, man. Me no know lip pains video. Me no want hear anything. As a matter of fact, I leave in the house tonight. Another second now catch me in here. Me no Tanya until you come. As a matter of fact, me send me back them a morning. Me go up on my sister yard and they go stay up there. Send me things a morning and don't look for me. As a matter of fact, have a great night.
I call back, we just reach home, I call back and I get the phone. They left a message here, babe. Come back home with me talk. Come I don't know what you talk about, come back home. You know something that never do nothing like that. I know. And nobody say it's lie to tell. So please pick up a phone and call back. 10 times me I left message for me drive from where I come, must run off a road. It's a can't work, you know. Come back, please. You didn't? You don't love, right? Kid boo. Don't do that. Nobody said, let me tell you now. Nothing people say to you is true. I'm the most famous man when it comes down to loyalty. Call me back, mate, please. Hello, what's up?
Hello?
It's my wife.
What's this?
That one like you know now. Oh. Yeah, my wife for church. This is fire. You see, I'm a search her for.
Are you the one fire?
Yeah. Me know that she always call you. Me and her, she said somebody could come fight her off and she gone somewhere. And I'm come home, can't see her. So say she will link with her sister. I'm going to her sister. She and her sister. So I feel I'm her friend. She and her best friend. We go church together.
No, man. This sound like a donkey story. Somebody come fight her off. You sure you tell me whole story, sir?
Well, I don't know what take place. I am innocent and she gone. And over there yard a ball. Come want my wife back. Tell my wife, anytime she call you, tell her some miss her. Yeah?
You know, tell me friend that, you know.
Tell her some miss her.
She has been talking to me and I tell me some things. And I let me know.
She only accuse me of things that no go so. No go so. Right? No go so. I love her. You see your friend, I love her. Right? Although she can't breathe. I'm still there with her. Right? If me no love her, what is love? Everybody have pitney around here. I could have breed the whole of the people, brother, and I just keep myself to myself and keep my thing in my pants and inside the party for there. And I'm still there. And me now, no go so, right? So if my wife did that, me know she hear my wife, I love you. Love you here. Come back home.
If it's the case you don't love her so much, how one next man have the privilege to go fight her by yard?
Some setup a go on, some setup. And we can't talk no more here later. If you know, later. You can't mind later.
Alright.
Later. God, if you're not busy. wife come back home. What go on?
There, man.
Yeah, Didi.
There, me go on.
Long time not see in a place. What go on?
Up here, me go cool out. So what go on with you?
Yeah, so what do you, after I feel let go the girl, where the TV things them. Let me show you the 100 man. Yeah. I employ one different girl. She run off with all of my things them. Apart from that, in I said period of time, me get robbed.
What you say, man? Rob you?
Yeah, man.
We part?
The down a yard of some man on the veranda, me the daddy. The girl carry money come give me that night, come pay me. Cause I have a young one, new girl, you know there. When me employ, me and her have some arrangement. You know what I mean? Me give her some product and she sell it and give me a percentage. She take a percentage, different from her job. Then she run off with some after that. But me get robbed, and after me get robbed, she carry money come pay me that night. Me get robbed. Me have to go to the station, I just make it stay.
Alright, no say nothing, man. Me a come up on the 2 NI street them. No say nothing, man. Here what go on. Me a go to road go deal with something and come back.
Ah, me over here.
Me a go link you. No say a word, man. I hear it.
Me over here.
Yo, no worry yourself, me say, man. I hear it.
Alright.
Boss
Oh, I go on. What that for?
Yo, no long talking, man. Me know how them.
How?
Me see 2 of them, man.
2 somebody?
For me camera.
One somebody rob me, you know?
Yo, 2 of them.
Where's the way I do?
Yo, no long talking. Come in. Yo. A papa and one girl, you know.
Papa and girl do it?
What you mean? Yo, watch out now. Me see when them a put on the mask, no bad, man.
Alright.
Yo, I him that, you know.
Yeah, you really you, daddy? Come to me yard soon with gun?
Me, daddy. Me, I sit up with
I mean, I'm here. I feel so begging when I beg you. Hey,
Call me up on the phone. Me now get me right now. Call me up talk to me right now. Come here, call her phone and now get her, you know. Show off some money for me, you know. Different from that, some clothes and thing, you know.
Hey, baby. We fire money there. We fire money.
Yeah, call her back now. Yo.
Mira. We fire money there. We tell him to stick him up and take away. You do what?
Me tell her to stick up fire and take money. Me tell her to stick up fire and take money.
You know having man money and you don't give me none out tight, girl. Oh, you wicked, so.
Yo, give me the phone. Yo, you see you and Mira, me try kill you and kill Mira, you know. Me try mash up the one, you know. But you what? I want my money. So if I damage you and damage me, I'm not getting out of that, you know. So right now, mine not every earth, you know, but run. Run out time, run away. Run away. Hear me answer now. The girl, you know, up the line she come from, you know. Somebody tell me so where she come from directly, up the region, right? And you see what you doing, sell out this man fast, you know nothing about it. You know what I mean? Because I saw a girl come in my yard, you know. Yo, the girl that come in my yard, my wife left me. Because she tell the wife, so something what me not do. Because the girl look at me and say, no, I'm not night, you know. And still the girl makes a bomb. And the girl set it up, because the girl can money come pay me, you know. And set him up, you know. I know, she jump out of it. Me have an idea, say, yo, the girl that come from Portland, he come from.
Think me know her part, you know.
Yeah, man. You see that phone here, have the whole information. She that Portland and them place there. You know so I don't know about how if you check the GPS or whatever and find the location where she there.
Yo, me I tell you the truth still, you know. But the boy there again, me I go dope him, you know.
The man that caught up.
Yo, me no give man chance, you know. You know that too.
I'm a looker.
The boy that forget dash way. All when I know him set it up, him part tight, him forget dash way. Right now, me let him go, he might reflect back, brother. Me play the game, a bad man. You know that too.
Him not reflect.
The man can't reflect, you can't tell me nothing about the badness.
so I need to tell you that I have oats all over the island. Everywhere, I have links all over the place. You think I run out from the company selling clothes? You think I get the container all over the place, man? I have a lot of people working for me in our department.
Curious, I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Why are you sorry?
But they just in need of the money.
But you come to me when you're hungry, when you're lost, and I take care of you. So if you need money, why don't you say you need money? When I say you need money, didn't I give you money? When I say you need food, didn't I give you food? When I say you need loving, I told her that I couldn't give you loving because my loving is reserved from a woman. You mash up even that relationship, same way, right? So the feeling I have for you now, if it hurt you, it's too much. So if it's too much, I'll allow it alone. But I'll tell you, say, take this day as a blessing and make it be a lesson, because you see, the world must be a band. You come on my yard and you give me a signed contract. With me say you go give me 40%. You jack it up, you know. I never take out a pen or paper and jack it up. You jack it up. How you want to deceive me. And for helping you. Suppose I never help you, you don't get no chance to pull them stunt the way you pull. Right? No, you run off with my money, run all over the place. I make you run. So make you run and you run and you run and you run and you run till you fall in a trap. You see, nobody there now. Nobody knows why you're there. And you can't tell us of it ever if me choose to. Because you know, you said to me that you want help and I give you help. And this is what you do. You bite off your hand. Wife texts me and I can't talk to her. Because she want me back, you know. Says when you mash up, still I come back to me. You understand? Says the truth, never date with her. I'm love no man, but you try mash it up, but it don't work. And you think say, when you run off with go break me, nah break me. Because 10 times stronger. Every time people try let me down. Because we really have some genuine plan for you, you know. A you don't know, you know. A fireman go send you, you know. We have some link and some words a fireman go send you. But these are some things, but you see, you're not loyal. It's going to be the consequence, right? You should have known that. So now I have to say now. You're sorry. But sorry can't buy Harry. When I said to you, listen. When you come on my yard and you job with a brilliant contract, can it deceive me? So you go take 60% and me go get 40. And even your friend, your best friend where Brown and work together, even she not have the knowledge to tell us what you do is wrong when you're off with my money, you know. Because truth is truth. You sign a contract. So more with 40%. They give me the first money, the next money I rob me. Pan top it same way. You know that's what I mean? And then you have the nerve to run off with all of my money and yo, you get the money when month 10 come, you get the money next month 10 come, I'll be a dodge me. Nah, I can't call your phone. Where your phone there now? Where your phone there? You can't, you block me off a phone. Block me off, can't call you. So, I want to say to you though, sleep on the same side I sleep on last night. Look here. Look for me. Mr. Sleep on the same side you sleep on last night. I'll make me worry, I'll let you go, you know.
You let me go.
Me go make them let you go. I make you go and where I go, because them thirsty and they want to do something but me no want to put my conscience. You pass a rule already. So I make you go on, but I tell you, if you continue the same road, this is a waking up for you, you know. You try straighten out yourself, you know. Straighten out yourself. Because if, alright, don't talk, you know, because I stay too long and talk too much, me get different vibes, you know. So I go left for you, but remember, what you do to me is not forgiven. You hear me? Alright.
You're lucky, you know. You even know. Anyone did me. 2 weeks you're there and no food. Relax now, man. Get up. Get up. Come on. Go down. Go on now.
What you do, Pastor?
Why, we just a chat through, you know?
Yeah, you know, say.
I link a one girl, you know?
Alright, for me, I have no man left boy rough. So I just get a different places and go and back jam off, you know. You know what I mean?
But by the way, for me already.
And that me go to ask you, me right there. You know, say, me right do a bag of things. Me run off with some money for me, right? And even tell my woman some different stories. Some story tell my woman, that's me left on the yard yesterday now. Come, you know, have a look her break off because of what she feel. Because me will carry panty and bag of something put in the house and so. Set me up, you know what I mean? A bag of things and, well, for look at something that you can talk about. I'll make me rob me too. You understand?
Yo, that's kind of good for help people more while, you know, yo.
But you see, me not worry about that. We still have to help people. But you see, who's the problem? Of them you solve. But not yourself, I'm going to solve him case, you know.
True, several times falls, many times, right? True.
Never fall, you always rise. Them think we fall, and them fall. Because they go fall short. And them think them get where, they not get where. I feel like I go run up a part in the yard there and say, why say I just ask some people and pay some people some money, then go find her.
Fine.
Then go bring her to me money, make things work. Me I lose $10,000, you know, and spend $1 million just come every tip. I don't like to lose. I never lose. I always win. One king. See a good door.
Yeah, man. Remember, say I use some money buy food.
Yo,
man.
here one now. You see, if you have time, we have a new channel start, you know.
Yeah.
One king, just spell one, and then spell king, then they spell flims. One king flims. Look for it on YouTube. Because I'm going to the field there now. I think I'm not close field too long. I'm going to the movie field now. So, yo, tell your friend and tell everybody say, to subscribe to my channel, you know. But so, you know, it's support go.
Yeah, man.
Because when you sell your food, I support you. Say, the way I do
yeah,
it.
No, man, I have me tell you, say, I want one little cat in me, check, man.
That guy. You and the catty them, daddy.
I have to go far out for them.
Catty king. Yo,
yeah,
you and the catty them. My name is your food, you know. Yo, differently.
Yeah, careful, man.
Did you see what one with Silk Bastard way? Me watch your phone, you know.
Yeah, them in see it, man, on the internet, man.
Please do not. Hey, I not take up no side, but it's bad when we as a people can deal with people. But why the country worse than that can could and dead? So give thanks he's still alive. But you tell you one I think though. You see that little piece of ranking meat doso, no make you fool you. You always have to be a man about life and situation and analyze situation. Never you sell out the people that will help you and go to new people. But not only that, if you go to new people, you have to know the procedure and not even I tell you what you do. You go new places, new face, you deal everybody the same way, like a long time friend for a long time. So if you have a dollar and we'll have a dollar, make your bread broke. Nobody think go show off on the people them. No, it not go work. What me say? No, make the bread broke. Cause if you try show off on the youth them of today, it not go work. You end up under the dot. What me say? You have to turn artist, you know, you artist you want to turn it. You say if you're boss and you make one girl pull around the blood clean place, the man kill you. You have to ensure so you be a man about your business. And if a woman, if you don't love the woman, you better sing the boy song, bye bye yo, and find your way out.
Oh, you want to say about last?
Last. Yeah. Better do the last and have the last laugh. That me I say to you. They are going to hold it off. The place will put bad and renty and see if in the future.
So you're
some more deaf now, man.
You can check your one of them there, man.
Yeah, man. What there, yes, daddy. Yes, we go there. Remember the channel, what channel name?
One King Flames.
One King Flames. Tell everybody about it.
Now make mama subscribe to it.
Make you subscribe, make her auntie subscribe, make your cat subscribe, make everything subscribe to that channel there. Because the channel there, uncut. What is an uncut movie? Fast, swift, pop, pop. But it's a choppy and jappy. Choppy, jappy. Choppy, jappy. You go walk. Right? So make them subscribe over to that channel there. You can come in a 2 movie them come star with 2 girls said we.
Link you.
You go walk. They are artists, and you can't turn movie star at the same time.
King.
One King, Flims.
Remember,
you know,
yeah,
keyword.
Bonnie
Bonnie Dawg.
You see this here Mawga Dawg where you're sorry for. See they know them poison. Every day's not gonna be the same. You bite the hand where feed you should be ashamed. Them come around like them knife them on now. Deep pretense. Make you drop your guard and put up no real defense. Pull up panty in a crutches and I say, let we be friends. We find them out now, so them have to go. Leave these ends. I know what them do, I owe them do it. I know what them do, I owe them do it. You see the same Mawga Dawg where you're sorry for. Turn on and bite you. You see the same Mawga Dawg where you're sorry for. See they know them poison. Every day's not gonna be the same. You bite the hand where feed you, you should be ashamed. Something goes wrong, something goes awry. You better careful, cause them will dash away. But no want them think of me, could not drain me energy. Cause see I look out for you in your time of need. And you betrayed me just because of greed. Now you have to leave. Find you out, sign you out, do not return. All of the bridges them burn. You see the same Mawga Dawg where you're sorry for. Turn on and bite you. You see the same Mawga Dawg where you're sorry for. See they know them poison. Every day's not gonna be the same. You bite the hand where feed you, you should be ashamed. Yeah. Sleep with your eyes them open. Sleep with your eyes them open. Sleep with your eyes them open. The lion asleep, you know not spoken. Sleep with your eyes them open. Sleep with your eyes them open. The lion asleep, you should not provoke him. No. I go love, I show love, I go love, I show love. And you meet me with hate. I show love, I show love, I show love. I give to you, and you take, and now the friendship you break. You see the same Mawga Dawg where you're sorry for. I go turn on and bite you. You see the same Mawga Dawg where you're sorry for. See they know them poison. Chubby done.
Yeah. I hope you like the music video a while ago and thing, you know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. So, thank you for subscribing, thank you for reaching this far. Like I said, go over to the new channel, you know what I mean? JAMMIWOOD are going to enjoy himself, said speed. But go over to the new channel, One King Films, right? Go over to there. It's an uncut channel where we'll show you. No, you get more, some movie over there, so different thing, different topic, different reality we are going in the yard, yeah. You know what I mean? And I think we want to travel around the place with that channel there differently. So you will see some different areas and different places and different face. You know what I mean? Take what you take and you go do what you do. Jamaica in just movie industry have to come to reality. So it will take a flood. The funds not there for do what we want to do, but we go use and turn fashion. If you understand what I mean. You know what I mean? Because we are putting some work with power that cost millions and billions to do without nothing at all, no budget. You know what I mean? Take what you take and go do what you do. So stay tuned and continue watching, continue supporting the movements, because I know you say start, and now you say to stop me that. They go forward. JAMMIWOOD, calm down now. Alright, I'm going to go on the film thing. Yo, when I go on the phone thing, stay tuned for the next movie. Continue subscribing. Look out for it there now in the town. You know what I mean? A bag of things go on. Burn it down to the ground.